Pass or fail. That is a fail all day, all night. That is just hack city. You do that kind of work, you have anything to do with that kind of work. What is it? It is a pressure vacuum breaker. That's what that is, the pressure vacuum breaker. You need to know what it looks like, what it's for, how it works, what the critical level is for a pressure vacuum breaker. In this case, we're talking about irrigation systems. Remember, there are atmospheric vacuum breakers, there are pressure vacuum breakers, there are hose connection vacuum breakers. This would be going out to irrigation. Irrigation sprinkler heads. That device has to be at least 12 inches above the highest sprinkler head in the yard. So if the yard has a little bit of a hill or a knoll out there and there's a sprinkler head on it, you should be shooting a laser beam or something at the house and making sure that you're at least 12 inches above, because that's the critical level requirement. And there's all the little poops coming out of the little inspectors, because that is really a shit job.